Alright, YouTubers, this is the Novi Stretch that I was talking about. It goes on the front of the Camaro. It's basically just a thick, heavy-duty, like nylon stocking. Because them bras ain't good for your paint jobs. And this, obviously, you still gotta clean it really good before you put this on, so it doesn't. But it fits snug enough that it doesn't walk around on it, so it doesn't scratch up your paint. And it's really easy to install. I mean, 30 seconds to pop on, couple seconds to pop off. These three factory Torx, it's a number 15 torque. You take them out, provide the little snaps with a Phillips head screw. Put that on there. And do that, snap it on, same on the other side. And then this, let's see, I could get one hand. Alright. So then same thing, the far one over on this side and the far one over on this side. Do the same thing. You pop them off, you put the provided things on there. Now, it has a washer behind this torque, and on this buckle it doesn't have a washer, so I just took these washers off and put it on the provided one, and then just save all your hardware in a bag, stick it in the glove compartment so you always have it. So alright, I want to just give you a quick heads up. It's worth it. I mean, you don't keep it on all the time, but if you're driving to the shore, or like if I'm going to Deptford, it's like an hour drive, you pop it on, you unhook it, and you throw it in your little, you know what I mean, you roll it up. It'll fit in your glove compartment, or you just, I have a little compartment thing in my trunk, an organizer, and I just throw it in there. And then to wash it, basically when I'm washing my car and all the bugs are splattered on there, I'll spray it down with the bug and grime stuff from Geon, and then just pressure wash it off, make sure it's all cleaned off, then pop it off and hang it dry. Easy enough. Instead of trying to deal with it, you do it while it's on there. I don't scrub nothing or nothing. That's why, like, you'll see little remnants of stuff, but it's all good. Another thing is that this is good for is not only the bugs, but the bugs getting into your radiator. I mean, even the little bugs, you know how they collect in your radiator and then it clogs it all up. So this is definitely worth it. They charge you way too much, but they're charging you for the idea of it. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. Alright, that's it. Quick heads up. I'm out.